Hey everybody, Sean and Allison here from Spoken Garden. Today we're going to show you our final update of our completed tool shed project.
Yeah, we're so happy, you guys. It's finally done. We can actually use it and move in now with all our stuff. So before we get to that, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below so you don't miss every daily video in our garden.
So guys, you can see it's kind of rainy out here, it's kind of windy, so it's going to be a little bit short today for the video, but we really wanted to show you our progress and how we finally completed our project back here.
I know, it's super
and
cute.
You can see
Isn't
it back
it cute,
there.
you guys? Look at it. So we still have a couple things left to do, and we'll explain that in just a sec. But yeah, we are excited to show you around, and we have a really fun surprise that if you didn't already see this on Instagram, it's probably our favorite feature of this whole tool shed. So we'll show you in just a sec. So I'm inside, you guys. Look at this. I can stand up and move around in here. Sean and I are both really tall, so that was definitely a factor, is making sure we can move around in here. So if you want to come on in, I'll show you what Sean did. We have a couple ideas. So you can see, is there anything you want to share, Sean?
Well, just, you know, the rafters up top to really solidify the roof.
It's still standing.
So had these brackets up here, and I had to take tin snips and cut those to make them fit. Otherwise, they'd all be hanging down below these, and they would cut somebody's head.
I honestly wouldn't have even noticed that if you hadn't told me.
I mean, so like right behind you here, you can see here's these brackets. This is what they used to look like and how big they were. And I just basically cut them at this level on both sides. So it shortened it up and made sure that they wouldn't hurt anybody from right here. So anyway, so cool.
I think it's so awesome. I'm so like blown away by the fact that Sean just pulled together a whole bunch of supplies that we already had from other projects. And we just like put it all together, or he put it together, and made this great little tool shed.
Yep, it's really going to be useful.
It's going to be so useful. Now, this we showed you in a previous video. Because this is our third update. This was a table we actually found that my grandpa used to use. So we have no idea. I mean, this thing could be like 50 years old. We don't know.
Yeah, still very useful.
It is, and it's still pretty structural except the bottom.
Yep. So it's a little uneven that way. We're going to put rock in the bottom here. This pallet that you see right here, this pallet's going to go away, but we'll put some 5/8 minus rock in here, build it up so it'll come up basically just below the fence here. Hopefully it'll get up to that, and we'll compact it all down. And so this whole thing in here is going to be just gravel. And
I can't wait.
So, yep, and then we'll level out this table right here.
And then we can use it, and it's really fun to be able to repurpose that. And we literally found it on the side of the house. Like it's just been sitting over there, and we threw our stuff on it. The other thing we're going to add in addition to the gravel is we want to build some kind of hanging system here, so we can just have our hand tools here. We can just grab and go.
Yep, and it'll be a great use of space. They'll be out of the way, so we can come in and put in then all of our power equipment in this whole open area here, and we'll structure that and organize that in a bit.
It's awesome.
So,
Should we show them the best part?
Yes,
My
let's
favorite?
show them the
Okay.
best part. Cool.
All right, so if we come along the side here.
So outside. Oh, hey, look, there's a gutter.
There's a gutter. Did we show this last video?
I don't think so. I don't think we have this up yet.
Oh, that's so cool. It's perfect.
Yep.
And it runs all the length of the tool shed.
Yep, of that roof up there.
And we've got roofing.
We've got roofing, metal roofing, and then it comes down over here to the downspout. And then, drum roll, dun da da da.
Yay, look at.
Rain barrel. Okay, so come back here.
Don't mind that kid pool over there we used to use for our dog. We don't know what to do with it.
So yep, so we got our rain barrel hooked up here, and we strapped it in. It's on concrete chunks.
Oh my gosh, it's so
nice and level.
exciting.
Yep, and so it's strapped in. It's not going anywhere, and it's already filled with water. There's some water in there. It's not totally full, but it's filling. So that's cool. And then we got our downspout for the overflow. Okay guys, so here's our rain barrel, as you can see. Now you might have heard us and seen us talk about the two rain barrels we have. We have another one just like this, and you might have seen the previous video about this way back in probably, I think maybe April or May of last year of 2020. We were going to use these for a little bit different situation, but we decided to change that up, put it here, because this water collected from this gutter over time, once this fills up and keeps filling up, we're going to use it for the dahlia raised beds in the front, which we'll just run a hose straight out. It'll be gravity fed, and it'll just it'll supply water to those beds out there. So that'll be cool.
So excited for that.
So now this is really cool, guys. It's been raining the last couple days here. We've got some rain already accumulated in this guy. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this up. And again, it's gravity fed, but I mean, look at that. That's all the way open.
So cool, yay.
Yeah, pretty cool. So it'll keep filling up for us. And this is where we're going to hook up our hose to go out to the dahlia beds.
So that's it, you guys. We finished it. We still have obviously a couple things left to do, kind of those finishing touches. Like you can see all the tools in the background there.
Yep, see those to the left of me there?
There's a lot of stuff back there that you can't see, right?
Yeah.
It's kind of a mess.
Yeah, you don't want to see it. But all those tools behind us, they're going to go into this shed and they'll be nicely organized and the tools will be hung up. It's going to be awesome.
I know, they're probably in the next couple weeks. So, and we're hoping to get our gravel measured and ordered, and we'll be obviously like laying that probably in the next few weeks.
Yep, and we'll make an episode. You'll see us shoveling and moving gravel around. It'll be fun.
We have a lot of gravel actually that we need to spread in different spots. So we'll show you all of that.
Yep. So guys, with that, leave your comments and questions down below for us. We love hearing from you. Give us that thumbs up, let us know we're doing a good job, and subscribe to our channel so you get updates on our latest videos.
Yeah, you guys, we'll be back tomorrow with our next Garden Care Daily video, so come on by to see what we're up to, you guys, and have a great day ahead.
Have a great day, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.